Okay, I'm back. I hope you're doing well with these and having you check your thinking and being careful and making sure you understand the questions. We are going to do another difficult one, which I think is number 9. So we are going to look at number 9 on page 386. So we've got this one. Let's read it together. Leo bought 6 sets of books. Each set had the same number of books. He donated 11 books to the school library. Now he has 37 books left. How many books were in each set of books Leo bought? Now this sounds similar to the very first question that we did on the number 2, where we could do it backwards, but we do need, if he's got sets of books, that probably tells us we got to do times and divide. And if he donated books to the library, that's going to tell us add and subtract. So let's start with a picture. Okay, here's my picture, and I just thought of a new way to do it. Okay, so restating my question, Leo bought 6 sets of books, and it says the same numbers in each set. So those books, we don't know how many are in each set. That's why the question mark is there. But I do know it's an equal group. It needs to be an equal group. But if I add all those up, those are going to give me the total of both 37 left plus the 11 he gave away. And using our properties, I know that if I add the ones he gave away plus what he had left, that is going to give us the total he had in all of the sets. All right, so what is the total? Just to recap, the total that we're looking for is actually the answer to our first step question. Our first step in this would be find out what is the total he started with. We need to find that first before we can figure out how many is in each set. So you're right, it's 48. Okay, so if 48 is our total, then I need to know our question mark represents the number of books in each set. So let's start using a variable for maybe B for books in each set. So the question mark, let's change it to the letter B for our variable. Let's change that to 37 plus 11, which is our 48, divided by 6 will equal the number of books in each one. So we can write 48, as we simplify this, equals B. 6 and 8 went on a date, so I know if I simplify this, our books will be, there will be 8 in each set. Beautiful. Okay, smart math students. Oh, I have a joke, one more joke for you. Why do you never bring a Pokemon in the shower? Why do you never bring a Pokemon in the shower? Okay. All right, last part. Okay, 2 different equations. Whether if you want to use one with the parentheses, we would have the first step in parentheses divided by 6 equals B for books. And then our answer with the label would be there's 8 books in each set. The B equals 8 books in each set. If you want to write 2 different equations, we have 37 plus 11 because that was our first step. 48 divided by 6 equals B. There's our variable. And then B, of course, equals 8 books in each set. All right. If you got your answer correct on this one, you get to hear the answer of the shower joke. If you didn't get it correct, go back and find and correct your mistakes, and then I'll give you the answer after. Right now, why do you never take a Pokemon in the shower? Because he will peek at you